Friday Parts sent me this replacement windshield wiper for my Bobcat and asked me to make this short video. So let's check out what you get sent to you. This is how it comes. They do a great job packaging whatever you bought because everything that they've sent me comes very carefully organized and set up for success here for shipping. So you're not going to have any problems with the part that arrives dead on arrival. This is the wiper blade on the arm. And this is the, got the rubber portion all throughout here. And the connection point. Metal frame on this. Sometimes they're using plastic these days. This has got a metal frame, so it's going to be heavy duty. And then the rest of it is the extension arm that connects to the motor that moves the arm back and forth. There we go. This arm comes complete with the spray tube. So you've got a windshield washer line, and that's going to connect right into that tank, and that pressure tank is going to push water and cleaning fluid from here onto the windshield. And this is going to grab onto the motor that drives the arm here. It's a direct replacement for what came from Bobcat. Let's get this onto my unit and get it installed, and we'll see how it works. Here's the Bobcat with the old wiper. You see that the second part of my arm that connects, down here and up to this part just broke. And now I got this wiper that's not doing anything. It needs the two connecting points to keep that balanced as it's spinning back and forth here. So let's get this swapped out and see how the new one works. Go ahead and install the wiper here. To get it to seat on that shaft, the shaft is tapered. So I find it's a little bit easier if you bend the elbow completely. And then you can work it on like this. Because you got to come at it square to get on those splines. Like that. And then when that's on there, fold this up here. It will tighten up the bolt on both of them. So there you go. Easy install. Just takes a couple minutes. Just make sure you got all your hardware. If you've lost this shaft here, Friday Parts also sells that as well. So sometimes this can get loosened up and fall out if your wiper blade's not been operational for a while. There you go. Hope that helps. Learn a little bit more about this replacement set of wiper blades from Friday Parts. And as always, hope you have a great day.